Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon Pixma MX495. Now this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all the button presses I make very clear so that you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you'd like it changed to. First of all, we need to go into the setup menu, which is represented here with a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. Press to go into there. Now from setup mode, we're going to move ourselves along once, twice with the right arrow and then press OK, which will take us into device settings. Now from device settings, we're going to move once, twice until we have device user settings. So that's 2 presses right and then OK. And from here, we move once, twice, 3, 4, 5 until we're on language settings. That's 5 presses and then OK. And now we have a full list of the different languages your printer can be set into. English is all the way on the left hand side. You'll be able to tell what language is currently selected because it's got that little asterisk next to it. There's only one option to the left of English. So find the one you want, press OK, and you are done. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.